Hey everyone, my name is Kavya. So I wanted to share my experience with Emertxe. So after taking a career grab, I wanted to upskill myself and get into the workplace. So Emertxe helped me do that. So before I took a break, I completed my engineering in Saptagiri College of Engineering in the year 2012 in Electronics and Communication branch. So after like almost 11 years of break, so I knew that to get into the workplace, I need to upgrade my skills. So I thought like Emertxe is the best place for that. The Emertxe course was a perfect fit for me. The mentors were super supportive and always available to help me out. They made the learning process so much easier and provided me with invaluable knowledge and skills. And the best of all, it helped me to get placed in L&T Technology Services. The interview process was smooth, and the knowledge I gained in Emertxe, it really helped me to get a job. I'm so much thankful to Emertxe to help me to restart my career. So overall, I'm so grateful for Emertxe to help me get placed in a core embedded domain. So if anyone is looking to get a job in an embedded domain, or anyone who is looking for to restart their career or to switch their jobs to the embedded domain, I highly recommend Emertxe, where you get support from all the professional mentors over here, and their placement support is like it's very good, and so highly recommend Emertxe. Thank you, Emertxe. Thank you so much.